Right, hello YouTube, Joe's and Beak viewers. I'm very sorry, but I've had to cancel this episode of Angry Parrots. Because I've noticed some things in the background, but you will see Angry Parrots soon. I've had to cancel this episode though, because my brother was running around screaming spatula and then throwing spoons everywhere and hitting everyone with ladles. So you may notice in it that instead of the birds flying across the screen, you get spoons. Ah! What was that? Oh, the parrot. Right, so in Angry Parrots, this is the character you'll be seeing. This side. See? Yeah? Ow. What's that?
Time for a
Spoon. That's what you keep throwing.
Chew.
Oh, no! No! That's what happens in every episode! No, 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 no! Just that each episode.